I'm here to show you how to use the Bee Squad Varroa mite testing kit. In your kit, you'll receive everything you need to complete a powdered sugar roll test, including a jar with a screen lid, powdered sugar, a bottle for water, a scoop with a flat side, and a brochure to remind you of the steps to complete the test. The first thing we'll need to do for our test is find a good frame to test from. We'll look for a frame that has open and sealed brood, which is a perfect frame to test from. This one looks fantastic. It's got a good patch of sealed brood and is surrounded by open brood. So there's a good amount of workers to sample from on this frame. I'm double checking for the queen. We don't want her to end up in our test. If you do find her on your frame, try to move her to another one. Make sure you have everything you need ready. Your open bucket, your jar with the lid off ready to go, and your scoop at the ready. And then you're ready to shake. You can tap the bees down into the corner, get them ready to pour into your cup, and pour roughly 1/2 cup or 100 milliliters of bees into your cup. Transfer to the jar and quickly put the lid on.